Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys every gift that I have received during Christmas time. So Christmas is definitely my favorite part of the year, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with Auntie Suzette. And this year she gave me this box that includes different types of cookies. So it's more of like a caramel dipped cookie and a dark chocolate cookie. So it kind of looks like this. It's fudge grahams and caramel drizzled cookies. This is what it looks like. I'll show you what it is. Every year she gives me food. So this year it's cookies. Okay. So the grahams look like this. I'm just gonna organize that later. Shit, everything's just starting to fall out. Okay. Alright, so the grahams look like this. I believe this is dark chocolate just by looking at it. And then the other one is the caramel cookies. They are actually very delicious. However, it's so much calories that I feel like I can only eat one piece after a meal because, like what I said, like the calories is too much. But I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm really excited to try that one out. So thank you, Auntie Suzette. Let me set that aside. And then next we have Aunt Shirley. So she got me a hand lotion that has like a marshmallow and mint scent into it. So it really does smell like peppermint, which I absolutely love. But it doesn't cool your hands. But I really love the feeling that it's not like super greasy. I like that. So it's from Ulta. It's the Sweet and Shimmer Hand Lotion along with the Lip Balm Marshmallow Mint. It really does smells like marshmallow and mint, but it doesn't cool as well. And I have the Face and Body Mini Wipes. And then next up we have, this is from my Auntie Irene. She got me this cute green jumper. This is what it looks like. Kind of long, so it kind of looks like that. And then moving on to my grandma, she got me, it's in my bag, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. Let me fix the way I sit. Okay, so she got me this colorful scarf. How do I wear this? I don't know how to, like, okay, that's what it looks like, perfect for summer. And then I also got this blue striped top. This is what it looks like. It has a cold shoulder design. And the material is more of like, it kind of feels like cotton. Looks like that. And then lastly, from Grandma, this is more of like I would say this is more of like a shirt dress. Oh no, it's a dress. Okay, it is a dress. I love the color. And everything is perfect for summer. There you go. And from Aunt Sheila, let me just go ahead and grab it. Sorry, my face is itchy. Please don't judge me. So from my Aunt Sheila, I actually have this. I'm wearing it right now. It is a silver hoop earring. Can you guys see that? That one. So she gave me 3 of those that comes in a box like this. It's more of like small, medium, large. Let's open it so you guys can see the rest. They kind of look the same. Like literally the same. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, and my friend got me these. She's so generous to me, so thank you so much, Clarissa. I didn't really expect this, so I was like so happy. It came in a paper bag like this, and it has a pink mug. I love mugs. So it says here, hello coffee, how thoughtful. And you can actually travel with this one because you can literally put the lid here and seal it like that. I'm so excited to try this one out, to use it. That's what I'm trying to say. And it's Duncan Hines perfect size for one. It's a carrot cake mix because I love carrot cake. It says ready about a minute. Sorry. It's like 4 individual pouches. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this one out. Have you guys tried this? Let me know because I'm really curious. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm excited to try this one out. I love carrot cake. And then she got me chocolates too. Come on, truffles. Are you kidding me? Sorry if my saliva went out that. I know, it's disgusting. But are you kidding me? Look at that. Yum. Okay. And then she got me a Monster Energy drink as well. Oh my gosh. And lastly, this is what it's so funny because, you know, sometimes you don't expect for people to like give you something and then they give you something really special. It's not because like she gave me a lot of stuff. It's not that, because it was very personalized. The gift was so personalized, and literally when I was seeing all of these gifts, I knew that she was like literally thinking about me. So she got me an Ulta card, an Ulta gift card. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And of course, I'll show you guys what Genre got me. Let me just set this aside. I actually love everything that I got, but that's definitely second of my favorite. And of course, Genre's gift is my favorite, even if it's just like a paper clip. I mean, it's not a paper clip, but do you know what I mean? Because I love him so much. So I didn't really expected anything from Genre this year because, I don't know. I just didn't. I just don't expect. So he got me this limited edition bracelet that has like a snowflake in it. It's so beautiful. Let me just grab this. It's actually my first Pandora piece because I'm not like, I don't know, I'm gonna say like I'm not like a bandwagon girl where, you know, when this became a trend, I'm not like in a rush to buy it, though I wanted it, but it's like, you know, if I can get it, I didn't rush around that time. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst when it comes to explaining. So it also says that the best is yet to come on the other side. I hope you guys could see that. No, if not, I'm sorry, but there's something written in here. It's actually engraved. It says the best is yet to come. Let me go ahead and wear it for you guys. Have you guys had a bangle from Pandora? Do you guys buy like, what do you call this, charms for it? Can you buy a charm for it? Let me know. I closed it. It's not even like the thing. The other end is not there. Hold on. Oh well, you get the picture. So it kind of looks like that. Oh, I love it. I actually love the simplicity of it. I love it. Thank you so much, babe. And then lastly, he got me this beautiful ring. I've always admired Paris Hilton's ring, and he got me something similar to it. Of course, the rock is not as ginormous as Paris Hilton's ass, but I absolutely love it. Can't wait to show you. Let me just put this back. Ah. Okay. You guys ready? You probably, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already know. Ta-da! He got me a pear-shaped ring. It's my favorite. Wow. I mean, the camera doesn't even do justice if you see this in person. I may be biased because I really love the design of it. Let me wear it. I really love it, and I'm so grateful for everybody who gave me their gift and who took the time to remember me and give me something really nice and special. So those are all of the gifts that I have received this Christmas. Again, thank you for everybody who took their time to get me some stuff and wrap it up and gave it to me. Thank you for all your thoughts. You guys are amazing, and happy holidays. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, by the way, before I go, if you guys are interested with this shirt, this is from Crêpe for Cuba, and I will be putting all of the details down below.